To start, I'm gonna create my creamy onion canapés. We're gonna start our caramelized onion canapés. Now I've got my pan nice and hot, and I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and we are gonna use just a regular onion, and we're gonna slice it into onion rings, just like that. You can hear our pan sizzling, and we wanna cook these over like a medium heat because we don't want them to burn. We just wanna caramelize them. In fact, I've already got some that I caramelized. Now I did up my bread earlier and toasted it, and I chose to use a very thin slice of bread. The thin works very nicely because it kind of gets like a cracker. And just choose the biscuit cutter of your choice. And I kind of rather like the small ones for this appetizer. I can actually almost get 2 rings out of there, and then I'm going to throw those to the side, and I'll use those scraps as croutons later on. So you just want to put these on a cookie sheet and put these in the oven and dry them out. The main thing about these is you want them crispy. Now we're going to go in for the good stuff that makes it rich and a little sinful. And we're going to do that by mixing up an 8-ounce package of cream cheese with a little seasoning salt, a teaspoon of Worcestershire, and you can use your imagination on this. You can kind of put this together any way you like. I'm going to put some cracked pepper, and for a little heat, I'm going to put in just a little cayenne pepper and just mix that together. And I've got my cream cheese at such a soft state that you don't even have to use a mixer. You can just do it right up with a spoon. All right, I'm going to turn these off and move them out of our way, and I'll finish those off in a little while. But I want to go ahead and put these together and get these in the oven. Now I'm going to take our bread and just smear a little of the cream cheese on it. I just love making appetizers with breads. They're hearty and filling, and everybody loves good bread. So I'm going to move this out of our way and bring our onions up here. All right, now we're going to take our caramelized onion, and we're going to place a little bit on those bread round. And aren't they pretty? They're kind of interesting on those little rounds of bread. Now I'm still not quite finished with these. Now we're going to finish these off quickly by just putting a little dab of one of my favorite condiments, mayonnaise. All right, right now I'm going to sprinkle them with paprika because the paprika is going to give them a nice brown look. And these truly don't take but just a couple of minutes in the oven. And that's it, just that simple. Let's see if the mayonnaise is kind of melted down. Oh yeah, they look good. All right, these look so good. And you see those truly don't take but just a minute. I think they're just gonna love these 2 dishes. Just gotta try one. The onions and the mayonnaise and the cream cheese is so, so good. But this is people food, Rennie. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.